you a little bit about bats, since that's what we're learning about, are vampire bats. Now this book has lots of words and information for us, and I'm gonna give you some information that's extra fun and cool. All right, so let's see. What's a bat? I sleep by day, I fly by night. I have no feathers to aid my flight. What am I? The answer is a bat. So most things that fly have feathers, but bats do not have feathers and they can still fly. Most bats eat insects, which are bugs. Insect-eating bats are usually small. There are also bats called fruit bats, and they are a little bigger, and they like to eat sweet fruits and other plants. A few bats hunt for larger prey, such as frogs, birds, or mice. Some people think all bats suck your blood. This is not true. Only 3 kinds of bats drink blood. This group is known as vampire bats. And here's a picture of a vampire bat. That's the one we've been working on this week. They mostly feed on the blood of animals like cows and deer, not humans, so we don't have to worry about it. They just like animals. Okay. Did you know that while you're fast asleep, bats are busy filling their bellies? Bats are nocturnal, meaning they're active at night. And we learned about the word nocturnal when we talked about our night owls that fly only at night, and they are nocturnal as well. So bats are nocturnal. All right, so we have a bat over here, and it tells us a little bit about their bodies. And bats have 4 fingers and a thumb just like us. Can you believe that? A thin layer of skin connects the fingers. This forms a wing, so their fingers are actually in their wings. And they are very sensitive. They have a sensitive nose and they have big ears, and their big ears help some bats see with sound. So it's pretty crazy how bats are made. All right, bats can actually see at night. They don't even need a flashlight. So how do they do it? It's something that you'll probably learn about more later, but they make a sound and it travels, and when it touches something, it bounces back to them and they can tell how far away something is, and that is called echolocation. All right, bats have some strange faces, all right? They have special ears, noses, and mouths that help them tune into and make sounds while they use their echolocation. All right, so they just have some strange looking faces. When bats are not hunting for food, they're usually hiding in a roost. And roosts can be caves, treetops, or attics. Bats pick places that are well hidden and protect them from bad weather. When most bats rest in their roost, they hang upside down. So that's why we always see bats hanging upside down. They like to do that. All right, so I hope you enjoyed learning about bats, and especially about our vampire bat. And we do not need to be worried about vampire bats at all. So bats are pretty cool.